Welcome to Azzadous Studios. Today I'm going to take you through how I make a reverse crash. It is pretty simple, but I've got a few tips and tricks that I want to show you to spice them up a little bit. So let's crack on with it. Okay, so we're inside Ableton and I'm just going to search for a crash. Let's have a look. And we're going to use one in here. That's quite a nice one. So I'm just going to unwarp that. And let's check the fade at the start. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to process this a little bit. I'm just going to slap an EQ on and cut the mids. That'll do. Then I'm going to compress it. And just a bit of light compression. Just going to turn the sample down because it's coming into the compressor a little bit hot. There we go. Now I'm going to add a reverb, a delay, then a reverb. So I'm going to use the Native Instruments replica, but any delay that you've got that has a ping pong mode is fine. So I'm going to set it to straight, 1/4, and ping pong. So I'm just bringing that mix up a little bit. The feedback can stay where it is, and I'm going to modulate it a little bit. This isn't essential, but it can sound nice. Yeah, it's not essential, like I say. You still are going to get a nice effect if you don't have that option, but it's going to sound nice. So let's add a reverb. I'm going to change it to open mode. And let's make sure the 64 is switched on. If you are using that as acoustic, make sure you switch 64-bit depth on in the top here. And I'm going to reset the dry, bring the wet down to 10. Okay, a bit of echo on it. And bring the low cut up. That'll do for now. So now to create the reverse crash. What we're going to do, we could right click, freeze track and flatten, and that's going to give us this crash with all the effects on, and then we can reverse it. But I want to keep this crash for my actual crash. So I'm going to go to a new audio channel and I'm going to choose resampling in this top bar here. Arm the track, solo the top track, and then hit F9 to record. Okay, just left it to get a bit more length on that because there was a little bit of delay still going. So I'm going to just roll the end off a little bit, and I'm going to bring this start up. I'm going to leave that rolled off at the start because I don't want that transient really. So I'm going to Control and J that to consolidate it. And then I'm going to double click, and over in the settings here I'm going to click reverse. I'm going to bring it back, and then I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to bring it back about a bar just for effect. This all depends on what you've got in that little bit before you drop or whatever. So I'm just doing this so you've got a little gap in between the reverse and the crash. So you've got a nice kind of revolving reverse crash going into your normal crash. So I hope you liked the video. I know it was quite a simple one, but I hope I've shown some tips and tricks that you can take away from it. If you like the video, like and share, and remember to subscribe and ring the bell to keep up to date with future videos. See you next time.